At EG4, we don't wait for your call, we show up before you even know you need us. We're not just a support team, we're your co-pilot from first sketch to final switch on. We're with you, by your side from quote to kilowatt. From training to troubleshooting, we stand by our gear and the people installing it. Let's start with how we set you up for success. We get you access to our self-paced LMS so you can hit the ground running on your schedule. Prefer hands-on? We offer regional trainings and live webinars so you can build confidence your way. Our ready-to-use single-line diagram templates help you skip the guesswork and start smarter. And with EG4 engineers by your side, your project design gets done right the first time. Before your first install, our pre-onboarding kit gives you everything you need to start strong. Support isn't a department, it's our DNA. If you ever need support, we've got your back. Your first install? We'll pair you with a dedicated concierge technician, your own guide from start to finish. Need help on the job? You'll talk to real people. No bots, no scripts, just answers. Humans helping humans. Real answers and solid results. If something needs replacing, our fast, no-hassle part swaps keep your project moving forward. And we go beyond just fixing things. We'll show you why it happened so it doesn't happen again. Even after install, we keep showing up because growth doesn't stop. Onboarding a new tech, we'll help you scale confidently with a well-trained team. Managing VPP coordination, we'll unlock more value seamlessly. Want to win more jobs? We'll co-brand marketing tools and help you shine. Need a refresher? Our advanced LMS keeps your team sharp as tech evolves, and through it all, you'll work with people who know you, support you, and help you grow. Great gear, legendary support, and limitless possibilities. Because at EG4, we don't wait for your call. We'll show up before you even know you need us. From first sketch to our final switch on, we're with you. That's the EG4 difference.